Hi Corinne, it's me again. So I am still trying to get this Flash to work for feedback in the Dropbox. And so I see where it says plugins blocked with a little puzzle piece. And so I click on it and it tells me to run Flash this time. But then I still can't do anything. So I refresh. And then it takes me back to here. So it's still like I press the audio feedback and nothing happens. When I go to manage, it takes me to these settings, which I think are all correct. So Flash, I'm not blocking sites from running it. I've got Desire to Learn in there. I really don't know why it doesn't work. So anyway, if you have an idea, I would very much appreciate any insight that you might have. Thank you.